So I season my chicken thighs with the lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. And I let that sit for about 15 minutes until it was well marinated. Now I'm adding it to the oil here. Go ahead and sear your chicken for 5 minutes on each side on medium low heat. Then we're going to remove them from the oil once that all of that is finished. Then we're going to add some barbecue sauce, some ketchup. Then I added a little bit of sugar and some more lemon pepper. Now you didn't see me adding lemon pepper seasoning to the sauce, but I did that off camera. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, you're gonna go ahead and add the lemon pepper seasoning back to the sauce. Then you're gonna let that boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to add the chicken back to the sauce and let that cook for another 10 minutes covered.